everyone, it's Andrew again with Rancilio. With this video we're going to focus on the RS1 steaming capabilities. So we're going to be looking at the variable steam pressure, what that's doing here for the steam lever, and how that's affecting the way you're steaming milk. So for the steam levers, you have two different settings per side, and you're able to adjust those very easily in the touchscreen interface with one touch of a button. So before we really get into the tech, I want to kind of talk for a second about milk steaming and restriction. So if you're steaming for a small drink using a small amount of milk with a smaller pitcher, you probably want a restricted steam flow. For myself, I like a restricted steam tip, like a 1.1 millimeter steam tip that allows me to develop the microfoam the way that I want to with a small pitcher. And then if I'm going to steam for a large drink, like a latte, and I'm using a large amount of milk, I want to use as much pressure as possible so that I can steam that quickly. And where a barista can kind of get into a jam a little bit is choosing which steam tip to use, because you can't really switch out between every drink. So a lot of baristas will use, a smaller steam tip on one side and a larger steam tip on another. The way that this technology kind of works to prevent that need is by allowing the barista to adjust on a moving scale what they want to deliver for each setting. So for these two settings, I generally set the machine up to have a restricted steam delivery on setting 1 and then full power on setting 2. So setting 1 I have for 50% at 55% right now. So that's something that I would use for steaming a small amount of milk for pouring a small drink. And for steaming a large amount, I can go all the way up to 100. And where that is helpful is if you're steaming many different drinks on bar. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. This has been the overview features for the variable steam pressure for the RS1. Check out ranciliospecialty.com if you're interested in learning about more details for the RS1. Thanks for watching.